So BTC Spinner has been online since 2017, and until recently this year, this platform has been an easy platform where you just come through and spin this little fidget spinner that was on here. That was it, right? That was it. It was very simple, straightforward, and we're even able to use some scripts to auto spin and just earn some free Bitcoin on autopilot. And it was very easy to cash out because you only need about $10 worth of Bitcoin back then, which is roughly about $50 worth of Bitcoin. But there's been a lot of changes recently, and we're going to be talking about this, discussing whether it's still something that you want to make use of this year. Does it still pay? All those questions around the new updates and everything. So we're gonna dive into that right now in this video, so make sure that you stay tuned all the way to the end. Yeah, so let's get started. The way to earn on this platform has changed. As you can see right now, though now it's not just about spinning, you know, getting the most RPMs and everything. Right now it's all about luck. So basically you spin the wheel and then you earn some Bitcoin, right? So basically it all depends on how many spins you have over here, and I'm just going to be demonstrating here how you earn. So right now you just click on it, or you can click on the button at the bottom below, and then you spin, and then you'll be able to earn some Bitcoin, right? So the one thing that you should be aiming for is actually just to get on this green, because when you get on this green you actually get some Bitcoins, right? So or on this one as well you get a bit of Bitcoins over here depending on the number of F letters that you get when you spin the thing, right? So it's still very small earnings that you get from this platform. In that aspect it hasn't changed that much, because the first few days after the updates I think the earnings were quite high, but then right now they've like really depreciated. They're really slow. Even though they're slow, they're still worth it compared to what they were last year, previously, before these updates, because they were, as I said in my previous video, it was really slow that I had given up on this platform. But now, looking at the increased chances of making money with this, you know, different ways of earning the Bitcoin, I've come back to test it out to see what is going on, and then give you updates as I do it. So as you can see right here, I won't be able to actually show you payment proof in this video for this new year after these new updates, but at the end of this video I'm going to show you my previous 2 payments proof payouts that I got from the previous years, right? So that is what I'm going to be able to show you as of now. But stay tuned, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and set a notification for the next videos, because as soon as I hit that 1% of the Bitcoin and then request a withdrawal, and then I think I'll have to wait about 30 days to receive that payout. I'll actually upload another new video letting you know how that went and if it is still paying out and all that stuff. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, because that video is coming out very soon, right? So anyways, as you can see, this is how you spin, right? So how you refill, there's really no need to actually buy spins on this platform, because every hour you can actually refill and get 100 spins for free, right? So there's another good thing about this. So the first way to earn is basically just spinning this thing, and then the second way is the lottery, right? So with this lottery, you as you can see on the spinner, we also have a portion where we earn tickets, right? So these tickets will allow you to enter into this lottery over here, and this is basically the prize that people have been able to win, right? And as you can see at the bottom here, people have been able to win, and this is the amount of tickets that they have in the pool to be able to win that amount. So you can also just buy tickets over here to be able to enter into this pool, and then try your luck, right? But otherwise you can just earn them from spinning here as well. So here's what is happening over there. So if you want to buy, you can just go to the store, and then you'll be able to buy. And then another way to earn, to get some spins, is basically when you come to this games page over here, you have these 2 games, right? Okay, this one is not yet active, it's coming soon, but this one will allow you to win up to 25 spins. I don't really recommend that you do that, because every spin, it costs you one spin, right? So, and you can only win up to 25 spins. So I would say if you lose 10 times on this trying to earn your 25 spins, then that just means you have to go and spend your spins on the Bitcoin, on the spinner, actually on this spinner, so that you can actually earn something more, right? So if you just quickly demonstrate what is going on. So as you can see right here, every single second, or I don't know, after a few minutes, it basically just refreshes, and then you have this opportunity to click, you know, just choose any of these when you have spins. Of course, you're gonna need some spins to be able to choose this. So each of these will actually cost you 1 spin, right? So when you select on this, then you have the opportunity to win up to 25 spins over there. So yeah, it just depends. The more slots that you have, the better chances of you of winning that's 25 spins. So if you I would recommend that if you just try out 5 or 10 spins and you don't get the prize, just move on back to this and then just spend your spins over here, as it is more profitable to do it over here than doing it over here, because it's just a waste of time, right? So here on the store page, this is where you'll be able to claim your free 100 spins every single hour, right? So after you actually, when I click on claim right here, you can only claim when you have 0 over here. So as you can see, I didn't update that page, but I'm out of spins, right? So when you're out of spins and then the countdown timer is at 0, that means you can actually claim your 100 spins every single hour. So there's no need to actually buy spins, as they're actually really expensive. As you can see here, this is price per spin, so it's really expensive. And this is where you can also buy your tickets at the same price as well, but it's also very expensive. So I'll just recommend playing the spinner and then just trying the best luck to get the most tickets and to get the most spins from that, right? So yeah, so let me just quickly refresh and then I'll click on claim spins. Then when I click on claim spins, it will just take a few seconds and then it should update over here. So now as you can see, the countdown timer is now counting down from 60 minutes. So basically in the next hour, within the next hour I have to spend this 100 spins so that I can be able to claim more. So that's basically how this platform is now working. So now the next thing that we're going to talk about is basically the referral program, which I think is quite interesting, because as you can see right here, let me just quickly refresh this page, right? I've got 100 spins over here, right? So I have 100 spins over here, and basically what happens with this referral program is that every time somebody clicks on your referral link, so this will be a referral link, and if you want to join, you don't have an account, my referral link is going to be down below. So basically every time that somebody clicks on your referral link, just for clicking visits and they scroll through the page, you basically get 1 spin for free, so which is a great way to earn some spins as well. And then you also get 5 spins for them registering. You get 5 spins for free, and then you also get 20 spins when they verify their email. So for verification, just simply clicking on a link that BTCSpinner will send them as a new registration, so to confirm that their registration, they're actually a real person, right? So when a person does that, you basically get 20 spins. So basically, all in all, if you get a legit person, you refer a legit person to this platform and then they join and they verify their platform, that means you're earning 26 spins for free. So as you can see, okay, so these were the stats from before the new updates, right? This is from last year when I was sharing this platform with others and sharing the script and all that. So in terms of script for this new platform, I'm actually working with something, so watch out for that. I think that will be coming very soon. I'm still busy updating it, but so far so good. So I'm just have to work on a few things and then I'll release it for the public. But basically, as you can see over here, right now they say I have 1 spin because one of my referrals is active. So I'm just going to collect a spin, and I think that should update my 100 to 101. And indeed it did update to 101 over there, as you can see. So I just collected that. So I just seems like I can every 24 hours I can actually come back here and then collect from all the active people, from all people that are active over there. So yeah, as you can see, my last rewards for people visiting my link, I'm getting those 1 rewards and stuff like that, so increasing my chances of keeping on spinning, because the more spins that you have, obviously you'll be able to spin more here, meaning that you'll be able to earn more, right? So that's basically what's happening over here. And then getting to the most important part, which is withdrawals. So should we still trust this platform to actually give you out the withdrawals? So that is something that I cannot really prove as of yet. As you can see, the minimum to withdraw, you need 1% of a Bitcoin, and I'm only on the next 0 after the 1%. So that's basically why I cannot actually give you like a withdrawal proof at the moment. As you can see, so as soon as I get to this 1% over here, which should take me, I don't know, a couple of days. So I'm really trying to push hard for it, and then soon so that I can actually give you a proper withdrawal proof, payment proof video. So make sure, as I said, it's coming very soon, so make sure that you have your notifications turned on and subscribe to the channel. But as soon as they process my withdrawal, I'll let you know and give you a complete update on this. But as of my previous last 2 withdrawal requests, as you can see over here, they were both made to my payment, and they both came to my Yobit account. And as I've shared this on the previous video, I think I'm going to link it up here so that you can see the payment proof in my Yobit account. So basically, as for me, I still trust that this platform will actually pay you out, even though it might take some time, because this withdrawal payment actually took some months before it was processed. This one though took only 30 days. So within 30 days, this one was processed. So that's why I'm saying, as soon as I reach that 1% over here, I think I'm going to have to wait 30 to 40 days before it can be processed. And then as soon as it is sent to my account, then I'll be able to do that withdrawal live update for you guys to show you whether it still pays or not. But my thinking, my thoughts on this is that this platform is still legit. I mean, it's been on since 2017, and they've been doing their thing, meaning that the business is actually going well for them, and for them to actually take time to upgrade the platform, that means things must be going well, right? So I don't really see the reason why they would all of a sudden stop paying people. So the best part of this is that you don't have to invest anything on this platform except for your time. So if you get some time to just spin this thing and then give it a try, then please let me know in the comments down below if you receive your payment or withdrawal request. So if there's anyone out there who have given it a try and received their payment so far, please just let me know in the comments down below. That would be really appreciated after these new updates that have happened recently. So yeah, that's basically all that I have for you in this video. So yeah, thanks for watching all the way to the end. I really appreciate you, and I will be seeing you on the next one. Peace.